Thanks so much for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm Allison Rodriguez with a look at that most accurate forecast. We are in for some sizzling hot days here ahead of us, but the moisture is going to come back, and then we're tracking some storm chances this week. For today, though, it's still going to be very hot out there. 108 degrees, just 1 degree shy of the record right now. So we have been flirting a lot with record temperatures these last few days. High pressure just really taking hold, and you see that with futurecasts here. It kind of builds in over us through tomorrow as well. But behind that, we're tracking moisture and a low system that will come on through here, and is also going to bring us some not as hot temperatures. So we'll take that for the next couple of days. We stay dry, and as you saw with that low here, moving in through Wednesday and Thursday, bringing us a 20% rain chance here. So monsoon not done just yet. We do get drier after that. I think we'll keep most of those less hot temperatures around. For today, though, still dealing again with these very hot temps. We're up to 103 as we get into the afternoon. We start to look at the evening, and we're up to 108 by 4 o'clock. Let's take this in even farther into the evening. 103 by 7, sunny, clear skies for us here. It's just going to be a toasty one by 8 o'clock, 101. And as maybe you're getting ready for bed and getting ready for tomorrow, temperatures will still be hovering in the mid to upper 90s. So a toasty one overall here, a scorcher across the state. We'll hit 96 in Sedona, 80 in Flagstaff, with 90s in Winslow and 80s through Heber and Show Low. Here in the valley, our highs will be topping out again well above normal, which is 100 degrees. We'll hit 105 through Scottsdale, Mesa in the East Valley, 107 in Tempe and Glendale, 108 in Lavina and Goodyear as we look to the west, and 105 in Peoria with 106 in Surprise. Now, overnight temperatures also staying pretty mild and comfortable. Warm overall. We're down into the low 80s tomorrow morning. Across the state, some of our coldest spots, yeah, I'll say cold because we're going to be in the 40s, and a couple of places like Flagstaff through the Grand Canyon, expecting 50s through Heber, Winslow and Window Rock. Looking ahead at the next 7 days, this is where we're going to get the payoff after we get this system kind of move on through. Not only is it bringing rain chances, more cloud coverage, but also a big drop in temperatures. We're talking 9-degree temperature difference Tuesday through Wednesday. We're down to 98, and then 96 on your Thursday, with 90s expected to round out your weekend before we start to get a little bit warmer by the time we get to Sunday.